Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today we have my Glossy Box, which is my February Glossy Box. As we continue through the unboxings, I will say what I've said about most of my February boxes. I have no idea what's in here. I did watch somebody just unbox one not too long ago, but I don't feel like I remember what the products were, so that's the good news. So let's get in here and find out. I took this out of its original packaging because this came while I was on vacation and another box that I had received, not one of my makeup boxes, had leaked. And the outside box of this was one of the ones that had gotten wet. So this has just been sitting, looking like this, tempting me. Come see what's inside. I haven't, but I have wanted to get in here forever. So let's do it. This is such a pretty box this month. It is love in so many different languages. It is so pretty. And the inside is the pretty pink. And when we open it, it is wrapped up in its tissue paper with its little bow and sticker. It's just such a pretty box. This ribbon is so pretty this month. It makes me want to save it. Look how pretty that is. Let's set that aside. Aw, I have no idea what I would do with it, but it does look. It says love crosses borders. Definitely setting this aside. Don't know what, but you know what? One of my girls will want to craft with it. So if nothing else, it'll be perfect for that. And when we open it up, this is what we have. Let me see if there's paperwork. There does not seem to be paperwork. So let me see if I got an email that I ignored. Okay, I don't even appear to have gotten an email to tell me what's inside. So I have gone to the Glossybox site. So hopefully we can find all of the information that we need there. So reaching right in on top, I have a hydrating gold gel lip mask. I love how the top says, okay, with a cute little panda. How cute is that? That is so cute. I have read the back and I can actually use everything in this product, so I'm going to go ahead and keep that. Let's see what the paperwork says. It is the OK Hydrating Gold Gel Lip Mask. This hydrogel lip mask containing gold and honey extracts is deeply hydrating, leaving your lips soft and smooth. Shaped to form to your lips, the hydrogel formula locks in moisture and maximizes absorption of the precious essence. Ideal to use at the start and end of your beauty regime. On a day like today, when I take this off because I used a matte liquid lip, I often feel like I need to get something on my lips. So that's interesting. This is a Glow Elixir. Wonder Love Charm Skin Perfecting Glow Elixir from Figs and Rouge. And that is what the box looks like. And this is 1 fluid ounce. Let's see what the inside looks like. Oh, it's so pretty. How cute is that? That is so, so pretty. I love the way that looks. That would be so pretty just sitting on your vanity. Let's read about it. It says, glow, revitalize, smooth, hydrate. With every drop, Glow Distinctive Brightening and Charming Elixir delights and intensifies skin in a natural glow. Revitalize enraptures your skin with a perfecting and soothing complex to re-energize your complexion. Smooth, multi-hued minerals, rose water, and rose quartz enhance radiance and skin perfection. Hydrate, delightfully hydrating hyaluronic acids, vitamin C, A, and E defend against daily moisture loss. Well, I really try not to use vitamin C because I am super, super sensitive. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in one of the giveaways. And since I have been adding so much to this one, we'll put it in this one. But I'm going to set it right here for our review at the end. Next, we have the Bellapierre Highlighter and Eyeshadow. And that is what that looks like. As one could imagine looking at this, I don't think I can use it as a highlighter. While I'm opening this, I haven't told you that the Glossy Box is a $21 per month box. You get full-size products, sometimes deluxe sample size products. It's usually absolutely worth the $21. And if you buy it over time, like if you do 3 or 6 or 9 or more months, the price is lower. So it's absolutely worth it. And when you open it up, this is what that looks like. I'm going to set this aside for the giveaway too, because I will never wear that as a highlighter. And I just don't reach for single shadows. So we've closed that right up. Let me tell you that it says illuminators draw attention to and bring forward any areas of the face where emphasis is desired. Formulated with natural ingredients, these illuminators melt seamlessly into the skin and can be layered, whether the goal is a natural or dramatic look. And this is, again, the Bellapierre Cosmetics Pressed Highlighter in Sultry. And I will try and get prices below for you. It says shop where I am, but it never shows you a price. So I will go further when we're not doing this. Next, I have the St. Lux Lip Liner Duo. I do like lip liners. Don't use them as often as I should, but when I use like a darker red color or something like that, I do try and line because my lips aren't as young as they used to be, unlike the rest of me. We're still totally young. My lips are abandoning ship though. These are pretty colors, kind of a nudie color and a deeper red color. So let's open the nude because I will definitely use that. And it's definitely not nude, it's definitely pinkish, but I think of pinkish things as nude because I am so pink. Oh, that's nice. It's a little dry, a little waxy, but that's the color. And that's a very, very nice liner color. That is absolutely wearable. And I won't open the other one for now because it's just that nice darker color and I might want to pass that along. But let me tell you a little bit about them. This says the perfect pair. St. Lux Lip Liner Duo comes with 2 beautiful and pigmented lip pencils, sure to give you the perfect pout. Bring your duo along with you in your bag and transform any beauty look from day to night in one single step. Not sure how a lip liner makes you day to night, but okie dokie. I like them. And last but not least, we have a floss. And I got one of these in a clear in another box. I don't know whether it was a Glossybox or somebody else, but I have used the heck out of that in just, ooh, this one's not clear, in just my day-to-day life. I love it. This is what that looks like. I love where this is going. Let's just, before we read about it, let's just put it right next to that liner that I just put on. I bet it goes with it really well. It's just a nice little doe foot. Oh yeah. And I've put it right here, right next to the liner. Those two go so well together. Love it. You know, I can't help it. I'm a 70s/early 80s girl at heart, and I do love some lip gloss. This says, my new favorite gloss is not glittery, not sticky, and not grimy. Instead, we created the gloss you'll take with you everywhere. It's hydrating, long-lasting, smoothing, and most importantly, comfortable to wear. Use it alone for a semi-sheer wash of color or over your lip color for added shine. So that sounds good. Let me put it over. I just did another box and I put on a liquid matte lip. Let's just add a little bit of shine to that. Feels better already. Liquid matte lips more than I do. And you know, I just really prefer a bullet lipstick. The liquid matte lips, I mean, if you're in a situation where you need your lipstick to last, they're a great alternative. But they are so dry. That looks really nice over there though. This is like the 3rd thing I've had on my lips without taking anything off. So, lots of color. Okay, that is my February Glossy box, and I am super happy with that box. We received this pretty Figs and Rouge, what was it, a serum? What'd they call it? Wonder Love Charm. And it says, oh, it's a glow elixir. That's what they called it, a glow elixir. And it is lovely, but it has vitamin C and retinol palmitate in it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in this giveaway after I take my picture in just a couple of minutes. We got this nice Bellapierre, which is a highlighter and eyeshadow, but as I don't reach for single eyeshadows, and this is not a highlighter that's going to work for me, I'm going to go ahead and put that aside for a giveaway. And then I got this OK Hydrating Gold Gel Lip Mask, which I can't wait to use. I love lip masks. I should do it with an under eye mask. I need so much hydration. And last but not least, we got these 2 lip liners, which happen to go really well with this floss lip gloss that we got. So this together, this is going to be my lip look for a while, guys. You're going to be seeing this because I love these colors. I can't believe that in a box we finally got something that focuses on pinks and not rusts or browns. I am thrilled. So I am super happy with the box. Like I said, it's $21 and I got 3 products that I like. I got a couple products to pass along. Win-win. So let me know below. Seems like an obvious one this time. Sometimes with these I struggle for the extra entries, but let me know below. What do you prefer? And I call it a bullet style lipstick, just, you know, a regular lipstick that comes in a bullet style, or this is the one that I have on under here. This was in my Ipsy bag, and that's what I just put this over. It is a liquid matte lip. Which is your preference? Bullet style lipstick, liquid matte lip? Do you wear just a gloss? Let me know below. I want to love these, but they're so dry. But now that I have the gloss on it feels fantastic. All right, guys, thanks so much for being here. I really appreciate you taking the time to come over to the channel, to sit with me for a while, to talk to me below. Thank you guys so much. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon.